In this video, we are discussing a trigonometric identities question, and the question is, if x equals sec theta minus tan theta and y equals cosec theta plus cot theta, then prove that xy plus 1 equals y minus x. So it's basically a question of elimination of theta. So let's get started without wasting much time. I have given all the identities related to the terms given in the question on the right hand side. Now let's start with the left hand side, which is xy plus 1. And if we plug in the value of x and y, we'll get sec theta minus tan theta times cosec theta plus cot theta plus 1. And writing sec theta as 1 over cos theta and tan theta as sine theta over cos theta. And in the second bracket, writing cosec theta as 1 over sine theta and writing cot theta as cos theta over sine theta plus 1. We can write the expression as 1 minus sine theta over cos theta times 1 plus cos theta over sine theta plus 1. So that is by taking LCM in first bracket and the second bracket. Further, multiplying the numerators, you get 1 minus sine theta plus cos theta minus sine theta cos theta over the denominator, which is sine theta cos theta plus 1. And if you take LCM, we'll get 1 minus sine theta plus cos theta minus sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos theta over sine theta cos theta. We can cancel out sine theta cos theta. So we have 1 minus sine theta plus cos theta over sine theta cos theta. Now we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I can write that 1 as sine square theta plus cos square theta minus sine theta plus cos theta over sine theta cos theta. So here we have replaced this 1 with sine square theta plus cos square theta. And now splitting all the terms, we will get sine square theta over sine theta cos theta plus cos square theta over sine theta cos theta minus sine theta over sine theta cos theta plus cos theta over sine theta cos theta. And we can cancel out 1 sine theta for the first one. We can cancel out cos theta for the second one. We can cancel out sine theta for third term and cos theta for fourth term. So we are left with sine theta over cos theta plus cos theta over sine theta minus 1 over cos theta and plus 1 over sine theta. Sine theta over cos theta is tan theta. Cos theta over sine theta is cot theta. 1 over cos theta is sec theta and 1 over sine theta is cosec theta. Rearranging the terms, we can write cosec theta plus cot theta minus sec theta minus tan theta, which is same as y minus x. And that is what we wanted to prove. I hope you'll find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.